Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well. We are on chapter number 6 in which we are learning about communications on the internet. So today we will learn about some things which you can see on the internet. First of all, it is blog. What is a blog? A blog is the posts on different websites which is about particular topics, which contains text, hypertext, even it contains images, or even it also contains any video. So these blogs contains a specific type of information. For example, if you are searching about cell phones, so there can be a blog written in which any comparison of different phone companies will be provided to you, or you are searching about cartoon movies which are very famous or very, you can say, blockbusters. So there will be any article which provides you information about that. Then comes the web feeds. Web feeds are the notifications that are provided to you after subscribing it. You know that nowadays, on the YouTube, you subscribe a channel, and whenever any new content or video has been uploaded there, it will give you a notification. So that's why that is actually the purpose of these web feeds. It automatically gives you the notification that a new post has been uploaded, so you can see that. So nowadays almost different type of websites use this web feeds feature, but this is the specific feature which is not on every website. Okay, what is social networking? Social networking means that you just communicate with your friends or the person you don't know, by different applications. For example, Facebook, MySpace, and WhatsApp even. Yeah, nowadays Twitter is very common. Twitter, LinkedIn, and there are several others. For example, Insta, Snapchat. These all are the social networking sites. So you know that Facebook is very in. On the Facebook, there are several options given to you that you can even add any person you know or which you are interested in. You can send a request, you can send messages, you can even call them now, you can send images, and there are several other things you can do on the Facebook. And then comes the MySpace is little older. That was MySpace focus on music sharing. Actually, this is the website which is used to share the music. Nowadays MySpace is not much common. You have listened about SoundCloud. So SoundCloud is also that a social networking site on which you can share the video, not videos, just audio sounds. So there also music has been shared. So MySpace is also used for this purpose. Later on, it just increase its visual so that it can be made interesting. Then comes the Twitter. Twitter is also a social networking site on which you can upload a message which is 280 characters long. You can send messages and reply to any other message also. This website is also mostly used for political purposes. So most of the time Twitter is used for the revolutionary purpose. For example, if you want to give a message which is you want to spread socially, you just give it to the on the Twitter. Okay, other services. There are different websites which give you other services like e-greetings. E-greetings are like that you just send some greetings, or you can say congratulations on internet through email or through any other thing. So there are three websites given which provide you this facility, that through here are the steps of sending a birthday card to from 1 to 3greetings.com. So you just have to search that website, and when you search it, just on that website, on the search bar, just search the birthday and press click on the go button. It will show you different type of cards, and you just select it and send to some your friends. So your today's work is up to here. Hope you have understand this video. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments.